Welcome to Inbound Tutorial. I am Aidan, and in today's video, we'll be exploring the power of live demos in inbound methodology. Inbound methodology is a customer-centric approach to marketing and sales that focuses on attracting, engaging, and delighting potential customers. And what better way to engage your prospects than by using live demos? Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Let's dive in. Setting the stage. Before we jump into the benefits of using live demos, let's set the stage. You've attracted a potential customer to your website or landing page through compelling content and effective lead generation tactics. Now it's time to engage them further by offering a live demo of your product or service. Capturing attention. Live demos are powerful tools for capturing your audience's attention. They provide an immersive experience that showcases the value and functionality of your offering in real time. By demonstrating how your product or service solves their pain points, you can grab their attention and keep them engaged. Building trust. Live demos also help build trust with your prospects. By giving them a first-hand look at what you have to offer, you're demonstrating transparency and authenticity. They can see the product in action, ask questions, and gain confidence in its capabilities. This level of trust is crucial in the decision-making process. Personalization. Another advantage of using live demos is the opportunity for personalization. During a live demo, you can tailor the presentation to address the specific needs and pain points of your prospect. By showcasing features that directly relate to their challenges, you create a more personalized and impactful experience. Collecting feedback. Live demos also allow you to collect valuable feedback. As prospects interact with your product or service, they may have questions, suggestions, or concerns. This feedback is invaluable for refining your offering and improving the overall customer experience. It's a chance to listen to your prospects and make adjustments accordingly. Closing the deal. Finally, live demos can help you close the deal. As prospects witness the value and benefits of your product or service firsthand, they become more likely to convert into paying customers. By addressing any remaining objections and showcasing the solution to their pain points, you're guiding them towards a purchasing decision. In conclusion, incorporating live demos into your inbound methodology is a powerful way to engage, build trust, personalize the experience, collect feedback, and ultimately close deals. By offering prospects an interactive and immersive presentation, you're maximizing your chances of converting them into satisfied customers. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found it insightful and that it inspires you to leverage the power of live demos in your inbound methodology. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy demoing.